want to show you how you could activate paddle shifters using BimmerCode on a MINI Cooper CountryMan. So here I have connected the VPAC Bluetooth adapter to the OBD2 port, and then I have the BimmerCode app which has loaded into the software module of my car. And what I need to do is I need to type body domain controller, which is the BDC, right? And you go inside. Take some time for it to load all the way to the 100%. So what I had done for my MINI Cooper CountryMan is I just swap my existing steering wheel with the one that has these paddle shifters. So I just made a swap of the wheel, and I did a BimmerCode, and it is working. Yeah, let me show you where you need to go inside. So you are in the body domain controller there. It is at 28%. Take some time. Yeah, so my car is not a JCW, but this steering wheel is a JCW steering wheel, and you can see this pad is slightly more comfortable, and it also has the red stitching that is for the JCW. Okay, and the other feature it has is this JCW logo here. Okay, yeah. It's more comfortable to handle and has a more premium look versus a regular steering wheel. And these are the paddle shifter extenders that I have added. So what I had done to swap the steering wheel is that it has 3 holes, right? It has one hole here, and another hole here, through which you could pass a tiny screwdriver and press the spring there. And once you press the spring there, this horn pops off. And once the horn pops off, or before that, what you need to do is you need to remove the battery so that the airbag does not explode on you, right? And once you remove the battery, inside this are behind this are 3 connections that you need to remove, and this airbag module comes out, right? And once the airbag module comes out, there is a big bolt net there, and you need to make a marking on the steering wheel, and where it slots in, it have a slot there, right? And then you remove the old steering wheel carefully. Once you remove that bolt, and install the new steering wheel, and make sure that the tooth and everything is exactly in the same position as you would want it to, right? And put back the airbag module and connect the battery, right? So we are inside here. So what you need to do is you need to go into expert mode, and it will give you a warning, and you say yes, right? And then you keep going up, and you should see, you should see paddle shifters somewhere here. Coolant level, air conditioner, wipe master, LCI master, and then there is a paddle shifter somewhere here, key manager, emergency manager, somewhere here. One moment, let me see, PW client, PF driver. It's a long list that you need to scan through. And PF horn, PF coolant, PF load, PF. Yeah, you see 3190 pfSteeringWheelPaddles. So once you press there, right, And if your car has the steering wheel harness and stuff that is suitable for a for the paddle shifters, you should see this one. And here you see I have activated it, and once you activate it, you say save, and then you code and you should be good. That's how the paddle shifters is activated. Yeah, but remember that your car must have the wiring harness and everything that comes from the factory to enable the paddle shifters. In some Mini this is not there, then that would need an extensive wiring that I think connects into some footwell controller or something. I wouldn't know how to do that. Yeah, you see 3190 pfSteeringWheelPaddles.